Hi everyone, let's make a baby snowy owl together. These cute little things are great for holiday decorations and you can use them as ornaments, and we'll even make a little nest for them too. Here we have two baby snowy owls with a nest filled with their siblings that are about to hatch. You'll need a pine cone, some cotton balls, googly eyes, felt for the beak and feet, a brown paper bag, some glue, and some round rocks. Take your cotton balls, pull them apart, and stuff the pieces of cotton into the gaps of the pine cone. This will be the soft down feathers of the baby owl. Make sure to fill all of the gaps and fill them all around the pine cone. Now it's time for the eyes. Take some all-purpose glue and glue the eyeballs onto the pine cone. Draw a triangle for the beak and some webbed feet on your pieces of felt. Cut out your shapes and attach to the owl using your glue. And here he is, all done. His little brother has a cute little succulent leaf attached as a wing. To create the nest, take a brown paper bag and crumple pieces of it into a circular shape. Add shavings of the paper bag on top, or you can even use the filler of a gift basket. Then find some small round rocks that look like eggs and fill the nest. And there you have it, a cute baby snowy owl and its nest. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.